Right now prepping to record my first get ready with me on my YouTube channel. As you can hear, the shower is running in the back. I got my setup right here. I got some makeup and we're gonna do a little get ready with me, including outfits, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Tiffany Tremaine and I am here with my first get ready with me. I'm actually doing a little bit of a requested video, but I'm trying to put like my own spin on it. So I actually had a request for a makeup look that I wore on a picture on one of my Instagram photos, so I will show you that picture. But the makeup look is pretty much my everyday beat. And so happy Saturday, guys. I have my coffee. And of course, I'm running late. I'm always running late, but I love you guys. And I want to get right into this.
Okay guys, so I like to start with my eyebrows first. Right now my brows aren't the best groomed, so I'm going to keep it pretty light and use a simple powder for my brows today. I have different eyebrow routines, so if you're interested in an eyebrow video, let me know. Next, I use a wet beauty blender with my foundation. The foundation is from Clinique, and I will put in the description box below a description for every product that I use. But I also put on my primer first before applying my foundation. After that, I use a concealer from Morphe. And guys, let me know if you're interested in actually talking to me the next time I do a get ready with me. I didn't want to quite do a makeup tutorial, but I definitely didn't want to have you sitting here all day. So after I conceal and start the highlight process, I attempt to do a contour. This contour is actually being done with a random cream contour. I'm not sure where I got it, so I do apologize that I don't know. But as my videos evolve, I hope to have better products and be able to tell you exactly what I'm using. So to highlight underneath my eyebrows and conceal under my eyebrows, I use another color concealer that is closer to my skin tone because I like my brows to look as natural as possible. So I outline all of them and kind of blend it and brush it in. After that, I use I don't know, like, I guess this is like a bake, or some type of like transparent finishing powder. I went to Morphe and they sold it to me and I really liked it, but looking at it on camera, I have to say that I think it's a little light. Maybe I need to try like a banana powder. So after that, I'm using my Too Faced Peach Palette and my best brush of all, my finger, and I'm applying a really light eyeshadow next to a pink eyeshadow. And just because I'm trying to be a little more festive, normally I'll do something like golden or bronze. So if you do want to see like my actual everyday routine and you like seeing me put on makeup, let me know. I have to say I am so proud of my eyeliner. It's so tight that I can wear my eyeliner with or without makeup. I wear it the same way for pretty much every look. But yeah, so I'm back with the lashes and this is my highlight. I am actually headed out with my little sister here in California, and we are headed to a garden party that is being thrown by my church. So I'm super excited, guys. And yeah, that's my finished look. So let me know what you think. Head over to Instagram and see those pictures that I took with the Easter Bunny. And thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. It was definitely fun.